Hello everyone.
Happy December 12th. Today we celebrate gingerbread houses, poinsettias, and the joy of festive creativity. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's Gingerbread House Day. A sweet tradition of building and decorating. A great gift could be a gingerbread house kit, a candy decoration set, or a holiday baking playlist. What's your gingerbread style? Let's build the comments. It's National Poinsettia Day, a floral symbol of holiday cheer. A thoughtful gift could be a poinsettia plant, a festive planter, or a holiday floral arrangement. Do you decorate with poinsettias? Let's bloom in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 13 days away, and the countdown is blooming with festive color. It's Universal Health Coverage Day, a reminder of care and compassion. A sweet gift could be a wellness journal, a donation to a health charity, or a self-care kit. How do you care for yourself? Let's reflect in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 11th to 15th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.